the advantages and challenges of transitioning to the cloud. We will explore the benefits of moving to the cloud, as well as the obstacles that organizations may face during the migration process. Advantages of cloud transition. Scalability. One of the key advantages of transitioning to the cloud is the ability to scale resources up or down based on demand. This flexibility allows businesses to adapt to changing needs without incurring unnecessary costs. Cost savings. By moving to the cloud, organizations can reduce the need for physical infrastructure and on-premises maintenance. Enhanced security. Cloud service providers invest heavily in security measures to protect data from cyber threats. Challenges of cloud migration. Data security concerns. While cloud providers offer stringent security measures, some organizations may still have concerns about storing sensitive data off-site. Integration issues. Migrating to the cloud can be complex, especially when integrating existing systems and applications. Compatibility issues and data migration challenges may arise, requiring careful planning and execution. Downtime risk. During the transition period, businesses may experience downtime as data is transferred to the cloud. Migrating to cloud computing. When migrating to cloud computing, organizations must carefully assess their needs, evaluate potential providers, and develop a comprehensive migration strategy. Consideration should be given to data migration, application compatibility, and training requirements to ensure a smooth transition. Moving data to the cloud. Data migration is a critical aspect of transitioning to the cloud, requiring careful planning and execution. Organizations must ensure data integrity, security, and compliance throughout the migration process to safeguard sensitive information and prevent data loss. Conclusion. In conclusion, transitioning to the cloud offers organizations a wide range of benefits, from increased flexibility and cost savings to enhanced security and collaboration.